Welcome. Today we dismantle the algorithmic mediation of intimacy to restore authentic human relational dynamics through strategic design. We are re-engineering the very fabric of how we desire, prioritizing unscripted human passion over frictionless convenience. By 2026, predictive AI models have done more than assist us. They have effectively replaced the spark of discovery with sterile optimization. These algorithms prioritize safety over soul, effectively eroding the algorithmic erosion of intimacy that once defined our most private lives. The result is a sanitized social landscape where the risks of pursuit are replaced by the certainties of the recommendation engine. We live in an era of low-risk social suggestions where the messy nature of human desire is smoothed over for convenience. This frictionless convenience carries a hidden toll, a creeping sense of relational boredom and a profound emotional numbness. This feedback loop creates a state of neural burnout where the effort of connection is replaced by the passivity of the interface. When the obstacle is removed, the value of the connection is diminished. Friction is a feature of depth, not a bug to be fixed. Enter the SSQ framework, social spatial quality. It is our blueprint for moving away from passive platform consumption. SSQ is the blueprint for moving beyond the interface toward intentional, architectural interaction in our social and private lives. It is about designing the spaces, both digital and physical, where intimacy can breathe and tension can grow in its most authentic form. The first step is a radical audit of your digital environment. Identify exactly where automation has oversimplified your private life. Audit your interactions for the hollow peak of immediate machine-led gratification, what we call the algorithmic orgasm. Where has the friction gap been closed at the expense of your emotional resilience? We must reintroduce these necessary obstacles. You must transition from being a mere user of an interface to becoming the architect of your own relational boundaries. This is intelligent stewardship. It requires us to build cognitive scaffolding that supports high-stakes interactions over low-effort messaging. We move beyond passive scrolling to active relational architecture, reclaiming the visceral tension necessary for authentic connection. True desire requires visceral tension. Immediate digital gratification is the silent killer of long-term romantic and platonic longing. We are restoring the neural resonance that only occurs when two people are truly present and engaged in productive struggle. By reintroducing healthy obstacles, frictional gaps, we rebuild the anticipation and value that automation has systematically eroded. Desire thrives in the space between people, the space that algorithms attempt to close. We must reclaim that space through strategic design. This is the body literacy of connection, understanding the kinetic pedagogy of being in the same space, physically and emotionally. We must rediscover the lost art of unscripted human pursuit. The value of the chase is what defines our relational ethics and humanity. Contrast the emptiness of high-frequency messaging with the profound depth found in high-stakes, presence-based interactions, quality over data. We are moving from outsourced intimacy to embodied intelligence, where the quality of connection is measured by depth, not data volume. We move beyond the detox phase into the active creation of unmediated experiences that AI cannot simulate or predict. It is about narrative displacement, replacing the algorithmic story of your life with a human one rooted in empathetic foresight. Empathetic foresight allows us to design interactions that prioritize the other's humanity over our own digital convenience. We must utilize technology as a logistical tool for connection rather than a replacement for emotional labor and investment. Technology should serve the sovereign self, facilitating the somatic engagement that occurs when we step away from the screen. Somatic engagement is the reclamation of our physical presence in a world that wants to digitize our every breath. Connect physically. Reclaim your physical space. Prioritize the raw human over the curated digital profile to restore the ethical depth of your relationships. Perform your own neuroethical audit. Ensure you are not falling into ethical diffusion caused by the psychological distance of the screen. Ethical depth is maintained when we treat the other person as a sovereign agent, not as an optimized data point in our feed. We must sustain authentic connection in an increasingly automated social landscape where the sacred is often sacrificed for the simple. Commit now to a philosophy of radical presence. Treat human interaction as a sacred, non-optimizable event in your emotional life. Looking toward 2027, hyper-personalization will attempt to deepen its grip on our subconscious and our desire. Future-proof now. Develop digital self-defense mechanisms. It is not about total withdrawal, but about setting the terms of our own intentional presence. Radical presence is the commitment to the human even when the machine is more convenient. It is the very core of our resistance. This is the algorithm of altruism, choosing the other's depth over our own efficiency. Stay human in the digital fog. Maintaining a sovereign emotional life is the final roadmap for living with dignity within an increasingly automated social landscape. Reclaim your desire, design your life with the SSQ framework. The future of human connection is in your sovereign hands. The sovereign self is not an island, it is a node in a network of deep, intentional, and ethical connections. Expand your reach. We build relational resilience through productive struggle. The friction gap is where our humanity is forged and sustained. Cognitive scaffolding allows us to support high-stakes interactions. We must design these structures into our daily digital habits. These structures are the architecture of desire. They ensure that we are not drifting into the frictionless passivity of the algorithm. The neuropedagogy of desire teaches us how to relearn unscripted pursuit. It is a kinetic process of engagement and withdrawal. This kinetic process is non-optimizable. It requires presence, investment, and the willingness to face the unpredictable human other. We must reclaim deep privacy, the sacred space of the unrecorded moment. This is the foundation of our authentic relational dynamics. Privacy is not just security. It is the freedom to exist without being curated, predicted, or optimized by an external algorithm. The ethics of the chase are rooted in agency. When we pursue intentionally, we acknowledge the sovereignty of the person we seek. Treat every interaction as a sovereign event. Refuse the sterile convenience of the optimized match. Choose the friction of the real. To future-proof our intimacy, we must cultivate empathetic foresight, anticipate where tech will attempt to close the friction gap next. As 2027 approaches, the hyper-personalization of our social lives will become more intense. We must be the architects of our own barriers. Choosing the human is a radical act in 2026. It requires us to prioritize the raw, visceral presence over the sanitized digital feed. Presence is the ultimate currency of desire. It cannot be automated and it cannot be simulated by even the most advanced AI. Our roadmap to dignity leads back to ourselves. Through SSQ and intelligent stewardship, we reclaim our emotional lives from the machine. Live intentionally. Design your desire. Be the sovereign architect of your own relational spaces in this increasingly automated world. Thank you for joining this 8-minute masterclass. Reclaim your humanity. Reclaim your desire. The future is yours to design. Design Your Desire, Reclaim the Spark, Masterclass Series 2026, presented by Elena Karuba. For more on SSQ frameworks and relational intelligence, visit our lab. Until next time, stay human. Stay sovereign, stay present, designing digital detox for desire. Final conclusion.